with PJ. In this video, we are going to problem related to the chapter statistics. Here we have to remember the formula of the statistics, that is mode. Mode approximately 3 into median minus 2 into mean. This is the formula. This is the relationship between mode, median and mean. Okay. Find the mode of our data whose mean is 27 and median is 33. So here they have given mean, that is which is equal to 27 and median is 33. We have to find the mode. Mode is how much? So mode is approximately 3 into a median. 3 into, you have to write the formula, okay, while writing this for answer for this. Okay, while writing the answer for this, you have to write this formula. Next, mode approximately 3 into median is they have given, that is 33, minus 2 into mean is, that is 27. 33 into 3 is nothing but 99, minus 27 twos are, that is 54. 99 minus 54, that is equal to, which is equal to 45. So that's why mode is approximately 45. This is the answer. Okay. I hope you understood this small problem of statistics. If you have any doubts regarding this statistics chapter, please put on comment section. For a keynote of this statistics chapter, please look into the previous videos. Okay. Thank you for watching.